Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Champagne S3 here guys, back again, and I know you guys been waiting for more content on the TPC900 Turbo. Apologies guys, I've been really lacking in getting you more content. I haven't had all the time to record all the content I wanted, and there have been some setbacks with getting some time up for tuning, getting the ethanol and whatnot, and basically things just didn't align as I originally hoped for. Anyhow guys, if you guys seen the news, obviously DBV2 has come out with their new kit. It looks pretty badass guys, I'm gonna admit. Looks really great, really top-notch components, and obviously the local fabricator Matt at GT Customs has always done a fantastic job. Aside from that, A2B has their kit coming out. I think they teased a few things recently about their new kit and their adapter. So guys, a lot of guys are coming out with these big turbo kits now, and I guess it's time for me to get some real content. So aside from that guys,
just do it!
Another thing I want to note, I want to give a huge congratulations to Colin. If you guys missed that video, I featured his car. Take a look over there guys. I featured his car, his Golf R, and he just broke his own personal best and finally made it into the 10s. He did a 10.9 at 126 mile per hour. And I think he had a 1.6 60 foot on a street tire with Indy 500. So that's very impressive. Congratulations to him. And I can't wait to see what he can do with the new turbo. He could probably get more horsepower and maybe get a little bit deeper into the 10. So looking forward to that guys. Keep a lookout, and maybe I'll have more content on that. So like I said guys, I apologize for the lack of content lately. I've been really busy. I recently just picked up a part-time job with a shop, basically in the, I would say, the aftermarket tuning scene, if you will. Super excited about this new endeavor. I'm not going to give all the details about it. Obviously, I'm still new there, but it is exciting nonetheless. This is something I always wanted to do when I was younger, even now, but I couldn't really fathom it as my primary source of income. But for me to do it on the side, it is pretty exciting. And at the end of the day, guys, car parts don't pay for themselves, right? But as for now guys, let us go. The car is behind me is freaking filthy, so we're gonna just make sure we wash this car and let's go pick up some ethanol. See you guys there. All right, so just got out of the gas station, and I'm not one to really complain about gas prices, but man, I just put in 35 liters and it cost me around 67 Canadian dollars. Yikes, man, this is getting pricey. At the end of the day, you gotta pay to play, right? 94 octane tune, money.
Meanwhile,
and here we go guys. We didn't have ethanol E85, but we did have VP Fuels. They did have VP Fuels X98. So this is a pail. I think it's a little bit under 20 liters, 19 liters I would suppose. Yeah, 19 liters per pail. The cost for these were $69.99 Canadian per pail. So I bought two, worked out to be just under 160 bucks. And guys, this is, for you guys who don't know what X98 is, it is basically the purest form for racing fuels for ethanol. So obviously this is kind of made for applications that run straight ethanol. In my case, I'm gonna mix this with pump gas and be able to get probably around, I'm aiming for like an E70 blend for my ethanol tune. And yeah guys, just giving you a breakdown on what that is and how much that costs. And guys, I am excited to get this in here and start tuning. So if you guys break down the cost, that kind of works out to be
3 days later.
I don't know, maybe around just under $4 per liter. This stuff here is not very cheap. I know I'm super jealous of you guys in the States get ethanol for dirt cheap prices compared to gasoline, normal petrol. For us, we used to, in Canada over here, we used to just, primarily use 94 octane, which contains about, people have different things to say about them, but for the most part with my ethanol gauge, it usually reads about from 10 to 12 or so, depending. But over time, the Canadian government has mentioned that they're going to be making gasoline, petrol with more ethanol content, which is obviously pretty awesome for us. Guys, one thing I wanted to mention here is, remember that temporary intake setup? Now we have got a permanent solution from 6Fab. So huge thanks to 6Fab. This is a 4-inch intake. It looks so much more beefier, even though my old intake was a 4-inch too. For some reason, this is just looks like friggin' like a monster, man. I think maybe it's because it's shiny compared to the the matte black finish, but either way, I am digging the way this thing looks, and this thing sounds amazing as well. All right, so we are going to fill this up with some X98 to get around an E70 blend, and we're gonna take a few logs. I might include those clips in here this video, but if not, if you guys don't see it, I'll catch you on the next video. Stay tuned and keep watching, and as always, happy modding, and we'll see you on the next video.